Finally guys, we have started our funded account management service. So in this video, we will talk about how funded account management works and how much is the investment and what's the risk in this management and what's the monthly expected profit. So basically, it's a detailed video about funded account management. So I will try to answer some frequently asked questions and I will try to answer each and everything about funded account management. So before starting the video, let me tell you guys, this is our account management channel and people are enjoying our account management service. So if you are also interested in our account management service, so you can join us. Okay guys, here are some frequently asked questions and the question number 1 is, what is funded account management and how does it work? So basically, funded account management service is a great way to earn thousands of dollars every month, and with low risk we can make huge profits. Actually, there are some funded companies or prop firm companies that are giving funds to professional successful traders to manage their funds. So with these funds we can trade and we can make huge profits, and they give us 80% profit share and they keep only 20% profit share. So first of all, we have to pay them a refundable fee to start our challenge, and they will give us a demo phase 1 account, and in phase 1 we have to make 10% profit by following their rules, and after that they will give us again a demo account as phase 2. In phase 2 we have to make only 5% profit. After that they will give us a real funded account with real funds. At that stage our fee will be refunded back to us, and now we will be trading with their funds, and whenever we will make a loss they will not demand from us and they will bear the loss, and there is no limit to make profits. We can make thousands of dollars every month. So if we have a 100k account, we can easily make 15 to 20% profit every month, and that will be $15,000 to $20,000. I hope guys you are understood now. So let's move to question number 2. So the question number 2 is, how much profit can we expect every month on a 100k funded account? So our profit target will be 15% to 20% safely every month. So if your account size is 100k, it will be around $15,000 to $20,000, and if your account size is 200k, so you can calculate accordingly. So the question number 3 is, what is the profit share percentage and what's the funded company's share? The profit share percentage is 50-50% and the company's share is 20%. Let's suppose we have a profit of $10,000, so the company's share will be $2,000 and remaining $8,000 will be our profit, and we will divide it into 50-50%. Means $4,000 will be your profit and $4,000 will be our profit. So the question number 4 is, what will be the risk on every trade? So we will risk 1% on every entry or within 1%. It depends on the market structure and movement and opportunity in the market. If we will have a sniper and cool setup, we will risk 1%. If the setup will be a little bit risky, so we will go for 0.5% or we will go with 1/4%, and our risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 4. Let's suppose we are risking 1% on an entry, then our take profit will be 4%, and if we are going to trade an entry with 1/4% risk, then our take profit will be 1%. That's mean every time our take profit will be 4 times bigger than our risk. So guys, our monthly profit will be around 15% to 20%, and we can easily achieve this target because on every entry we are making 4% by risking only 1%. So the question number 5 is there any fee to pass the demo challenges? There is no any advance fee to pass the demo phases, but after getting a live account, when we will get a refund from the company, then this refundable fee will be shareable between us and we will divide it into 50-50%. So the question number 6 is, how can I see the history of my account and how can I watch the daily progress? First of all guys, let me tell you, I will trade on the main account and all clients will be attached below this account by using a premium trade copier, and you also have to pay $15 every month for your trade copier slot. So I will be trading on the main master account and every account will have the same entries and profit. So I will update daily results in the channel by showing the master account, but you can also ask anytime for the history of your account. So I will send you the history of your account. You will have your unique account number, so anytime you can ask for the history by giving your account number. So the question number 7 is, how much is the price for a 100k account and for a 200k account? So guys, currently we are only working with FTMO, and FTMO is the reliable and trusted pro firm company. So the prices of their challenges are a little bit higher, but they are trusted and they will pay us on time when we will have a profit on our live funded account. So guys, you can buy 100k and 200k account sizes. So if you want to buy a 100k account, then you have to pay 540 euros, and if you want to buy 200k account, then you have to pay 1080 euros. And keep in mind guys, this is a refundable fee. When we will successfully pass our challenge account and we will move to the live real account, the company will refund back to us. So if you are ready to start, you have to pay the fee to buy your challenge, and after successfully getting your challenge account, I will give you your account number and you can ask anytime for the history by giving this account number. So the question number 8 is, how much time will it require to pass phase 1 and phase 2? When will we get our first withdrawal? Hopefully we will pass our phase 1 within 10 to 15 days, and we will pass phase 2 within 7 to 12 days. After that, we will have a real funded account and we will make 15 to 20% profit within a month. Hopefully you are understood now. So the question number 9 is there any refund or guarantee if we fail the challenge? So guys, there is no refund or guarantee on loss if we fail the challenge, but the chances are very low to fail the challenge or losing the money, because we are going safely and we are risking only 1% on every entry, and our take profit will be 4 times bigger than our stop loss, and everything is calculated here, so we can easily pass the challenge phases and we will make a good amount of profit on our real funded account, and you don't need to worry about that. So the question number 10 is, how can I send you the payment to buy my funded account? What are the payment methods? So guys, you can send me the amount using Binance Pay ID or using crypto wallets like Bitcoin, USDT, or you can send using Skrill. And I will also use these payment methods to send you your profit share, monthly profit share, when we will have the profit on our real funded account. So the question number 11 is, I am ready to start. How can I proceed? So guys, if you are ready to start, you have to transfer me the amount to buy your challenge account, and you have to pay $15 for your trade copier slot, because I have to attach your account with my main master account, and using this trade copier your account will be attached with my master account, and there is a $15 monthly fee for this trade copier. So guys, hopefully you are understood now. If you still have any other question about funded account management, you can write it in my Telegram inbox. So that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next video.